Hey, do you have a pile of books about ministry that you're going to read someday? If you're anything like me, your pile probably keeps growing and you probably don't have time to read all the books that you'd really want to read. What if there was a way to read all of those books while you accomplish all the tasks that you need to do throughout the day? I'll show you exactly how, coming up. Hey guys, I'm Curtis Riley from The Real Rileys, aka Preach, and we give real advice for real life. Hopefully, you can learn from my many mistakes. And we are one family with multiple channels. We've got a channel on faith, on how-tos, on marriage, and online business. So check them out. The purpose of this channel is to discuss and improve real ministry, worship, and preaching. But we also offer online courses, coaching, and even church consultations. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. That lets YouTube know that you're enjoying this, and it helps us make more videos like this. As our free gift for stopping by, we wanted to hook you up with our free gift, a PDF and mini course called the Sermon Outline Guide, which will help you never get stuck on your sermon again. Just go to therealrileys.com. Now, let's get into it. Now, this video was originally made for our how-to channel, but I thought to myself, man, I read so many books on ministry that I thought you guys would really benefit from this as well. I love reading books, and honestly, I think you learn better by physically reading a book than you do listening to it. The problem is my pile of books to read is so big that I will never get through them. But what's really solved this problem for me is the Audible app. It's an app that you can get on your phone that you can download or stream books that are read audibly. That way you can listen to the books even if you don't have time to read them. And whatever you learn from listening to books is going to be way better than what you learn from books that you never had time to read. So what are some of the features this app has? Obviously, you're able to listen to audiobooks on your phone and on the go. You can also add a bookmark to your favorite spots, so you can go back and reference them, or if you're like me, you can go and buy the physical copy of the book and then go back and underline some of those key parts so you can use it as a reference. You can stream or listen to books, or you can download them and listen to them even when you don't have internet access. There's a really cool car mode where the buttons get big and make things simple while you're driving. And here's a pro tip. You can actually speed up the voice that's reading the book. That way you can listen to the book sometimes in half the time it would have taken you. As far as the performance and ease of use, I haven't had any issues with this app at all. It's pretty straightforward, it's really smooth. You won't have any problem finding your favorite book, and you can quickly rewind just a little bit if you miss something. Hey, can I stop you right there, and will you please like this video and subscribe to our channel? That helps support us so that we can continue making videos just like this. Now, as far as pricing, you've got a couple options. The entry level is $7.95 a month, which really isn't that bad. Or you can bump it up to the $14.95 level where you get a free credit every month. If you're going to buy a book anyways, this is probably the way to go. And don't forget, if you use our affiliate link below, not only does it support us, but it helps you by getting 2 books for free. What are the pros or my favorite parts about this app? I love listening on the go. I love that I can multitask, that I can clean the house, that I can drive down the road and listen and learn at the same time. I'm a huge fan of not wasting time. I love using it anytime I drive from Kansas to Iowa or back and forth. So if you're going on a road trip, read a book. Now, what are some cons? I'd say there aren't a whole lot of cons to this. But one thing to watch out for is sometimes if you have a credit, that credit can expire and you don't want to miss out on it. And if you want to improve your ministry, you probably want to improve your preaching. So I want to encourage you to check out the Power Preaching Plan. That's our online course that'll help you outline any sermon. As far as a rating and would I recommend this product? Absolutely. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. And keep in mind, anything you learn from listening to an Audible book is going to be way better than learning nothing from a book that you didn't have time to read in the first place. Now it's time to get real. Will you comment below and let us know what's the #1 book that you're excited to listen to? And make sure to check out one of our online communities where you can be encouraged and you can even be involved in the next live Q&A. Feel free to check out some of our other videos like how to outline a sermon or how to write a sermon in 5 minutes. Or check out one of our other channels like how to play the guitar. I hope this video was super helpful for you and for your church. But until next time, keep it real.